What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? What's good, everybody? And that was our first trim spot, everybody. Let's go. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys move those stops up. And let's see if we can get this next price target here. So we got that initial move from 210 entry area up to 240. That's 30 points. I'd like to see us have continuation now. And ultimately get up to our final price target of like 260. Nice job starting Power Hour. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. Yes. Huge winner. Huge winner to start Power Hour. Let's go. Yes. If you didn't catch that, honestly, I don't know how to help you. What's good, guys? What up? You guys are finally typing. No one was typing before. What's going on? What's up? What's happening? Wait. Yeah, Sexy, you guys caught that, right? You caught that. Sexy Rexy caught it. Nice. DMD didn't catch it. Nice. E caught. See, I told you. Entrepreneur caught it. Gravity Shackles. Oh, you missed it. That was beautiful, guys. Stops. Easy win. Lino caught it. KenMed caught it. Nice trade, guys. 1 for 1 to start Power Hour. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we need. Yup, let's go. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Right there, baby. That's what we needed. How's everyone's day been? Only a few had sound. So you need me to find another winner? Yes, 7,000 off that 30-point move. Let's go. Bros. Bro's trading 12 minis. No. All right, guys, I'm messing with y'all. I didn't call anything. I'm just messing with y'all. We didn't take a trade. It's just a stupid joke that I think is funny every time I get on Power Hour, and somehow people keep falling for it. All right, let's get it though. Let's actually catch a winner. Let's actually catch a winner. I'm just messing with y'all. I want a haircut. Come through. I want a haircut now. Period. All right. See what we can get. Bro, I literally jumped into the next diff and rode the joke up 20 points. That is crazy, bro. That is wild. Come on. Bro, I could not believe myself earlier, bro. I can't believe I was so foolish to not mark out our 15-minute low earlier. I completely missed that retest. And then we got the re-entry I wanted on the 15-minute later after I left. Literally, aggressive 15-minute candle. It's so annoying. Right up to that retracement. This is what I wanted to see. It just took freaking forever. Wow. Let's see if we can get a nice confirmation candle here. Yeah, the price action ended up being decent today. I knew we were going to go down, guys. My bias is not wrong. It's never wrong, as if you guys have seen. Go watch my last 6 months of recordings. My general daily bias, when I find a direction I like, rarely misses it. Just did some BS with the stop this morning. Oh, well. Paper cut after paper cut? Well, that's not good. As a reminder for everyone joining, welcome in. Everything I say in this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please trade smart and trade safe, and to the algorithms, do not restrict me, please. I seen you DM me. I'll check my I'll check later on my other phone. What's good, guys? Let's go. Don't. All right, let's see if we get. We technically speaking have a 2-bar here. I don't like how it's been choppy this last bit. We don't really have a super aggressive trend, but could watch for 210 area. Could be worth something. Am I trading tonight? I believe so. All right, let's go. What's good, guys? How do you guys all fare this morning? You guys all stay alive? Today actually ended up being a decent day. I knew we were gonna freaking move down. This daily range has got to break. Can we go back up? I don't know about that. Smell a Jdun 2-bar. Let's see. 210 area. 209. 210 stops at like 240 is how I'd have to look. It's a little sketchy down here. Let's make sure we actually don't have any key levels we need to worry about as well. Make sure we don't got any pivots or anything in the way. Let's also go ahead and throw this on there. All right. Let's go, bro. I know. Let's get it. This 15-minute actually might give a decent continuation to the downside, too. 15-minute area looks the same as the 5-minute area. I love when those two time frames come together. Love when those two time frames come together. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get, guys. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Nope, just one trade. Why is my TikTok showing ads? Hey, cut it out. There we go. Don't. There we go. I like short too. I like shorts at like 210 area. Let's see. I freaking knew we were going to trend down today. Freaking knew it. But knowing doesn't get us paid. Execution does. We have a ways down, too. We got room down to like 29,000. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. You're in the best place to learn, everybody. Appreciate y'all being here. Well, let's see. I'm trading the NASDAQ, NQ. So I like the shorts on this pop up. It's just been a very slow trend down. I would have preferred to catch this lower high right here. Around this 306, 307, but I missed it earlier. I was so disappointed in myself. No noise suppression on. Nope. Nothing on stages. The mic just cuts a lot of it out. TJR best trader. So why are you here? These guys are like, go to this guy, this guy, this guy. I'm like, all right, well then go there. Why are you watching my stream? Yeah, you guys are like it. That's what I hear from y'all. I got no beef with no other grown man. TJR has always been nice to me. I just think it's funny. It's just more so like people come in there and go, I'm going to watch this guy. I'm like, okay. You tell me what show you're going to watch at night? No. Hush. Come on. Give us a retracement. I'm taller, though. I'm 6'7". Yup. That's facts. I just made 400. Why aren't you joining the trend line? I haven't. YX222. I would, though. Worst height to be in 2026. Oh, 6'7". Yeah, 6'7". It's a stupid joke. All right, guys. Welcome in, everybody. I appreciate you guys being here. Not doing here. I said doing here. Being here. Appreciate y'all being here. We are doing here, yeah. I can't speak today, I guess. Apparently I can't trade or speak today. Would I say SMC is a good strat? I trade volume and price, bro, and key levels. My trading strategy is literally very simple. I mean, there is some discretion involved. You got to understand what you're doing, but like I try to break it down very simply. I gave you the simplest setup ever, the 2-bar, and I still get 100 questions a day about it, so I'm just done. I tried to explain everything. I tried to give the sauce for free. Now I'm just teaching the bird beak. It's bird beak or nothing when you join my live stream. You're going to learn about the bird beak and how we trade the eagle beak and the robin beak and the bird breakouts. That's it. I really liked that 15-minute setup. Oh, 1 second. Is he? How about Brandon's fight? Oh, sweet. What's up, bro?
Jdun has a haircut at 2, so it's like might as well do it over there.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you should do it here. How's your day been, man?
Good, bro. I'm alright. What did you do?
What?
Went to the yard last night.
Oh, shoot.
Like some type of rash.
That sucks.
Hurting. McGregor, though.
Yeah,
McGregor.
crazy.
Terrible.
Terrible.
He was injured pre-fight.
All right. Thank you, sir. I need my team bowl cape, man.
Where is it?
I don't know, bro. I moved and it's hiding somewhere. Oh, shit.
Yeah, somewhere at home, though.
It's somewhere at home. I literally moved and it's like just hiding in one of my bags or something. Bro, I'm catching a bang in this power hour. I'm telling you right now.
How's it been going?
Good. Oh yeah, it's going down. What else you been up to? Just chilling?
Chilling, bro.
Same.
Tired.
I bet Vegas wears me out, bro.
115 was the highest over there, bro.
That's it's freaking hot. That is insane.
Very.
I'm gonna watch for the retest of like 210 area for shorts, guys. Sorry if you hear the buzzers. I'm getting my haircut right now, so if you hear the zzz, I'm getting my haircut. So just a heads up if you hear the loud zzz, I'm getting it's trades and fades. Trades and fades. I'm making back my morning loss. What else is new? You had fun. Where'd you stay in Vegas?
I got an Airbnb.
Oh, nice. I like to stay at the Cosmo.
Yeah.
Bro, I've been to Vegas 17 times. Isn't that crazy?
I've been back the past 3 months. Back to back. So, I don't like being out there more than 3 days.
Me neither. 3 days is too much. Been to Vegas 17 times, and I'm only 25 years old.
My uncle's been with me, so I made it longer.
Yep. Isn't that crazy?
I mean, if you don't drink or anything, it's pointless too, you know?
Yep, I know. It's lame. Man, I wanted to see us go up. This wasn't a valid 2-bar for me because we didn't have... We had higher volume, but we didn't have the candlestick structure that I wanted to see. So I wanted to see, if I'm going to take a 2-bar like this candle right here, I want to see us have an aggressive candle down and then retest into that and move. That's a bummer.
How's the house remodelation going?
What?
How's the house coming along?
Good. Been grinding. The Mexicans have been grinding, bro.
They got it done pretty quick. And they knocked all that in one day?
Bro, one day.
Oh.
Roberto and his crew. Grinding. Literally grinding, bro. Come on. Give us a retracement, bro. It's 210. One thing people don't like about my strategy is it's very, very patience demanding. Gotta be very patient. When am I building the gym at home? I have a gym at my office. Is it hard to trade while getting a haircut? Oh, we're gonna see. Man, I freaking knew we were gonna trend down today, bro. Wow, look at that. Ugh. Tomorrow is personal. Tomorrow's very, 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 very personal. Yeah, this is Gene cutting my hair. I'll watch 29,000 area for a bounce too, guys. It's like 29,000 zone. I'll watch for a bounce. We're a ways away. I'll either look for a solid retracement on the 5 and 15 minute, or I'll look for a bounce at 29,000. That's my main watch for power hour, guys. That's where I think our best systematic entry comes from. As a reminder, if you're on the free live streams, I appreciate y'all hitting that follow button. This is Trades and Fades. I trade live every day. I help you guys trade smart, trade safe, stay disciplined, give you realistic expectations, and no get-rich-quick BS. If you're on the YouTube, I appreciate you all tapping in, hitting subscribe, also pressing that bell icon and pressing all. And, of course, if you're in Team Bowl Premium, you're in the best place to be. Let's go. Yes. One minute. Let's see here. Our 15-minute closes in 3 minutes, guys. We might have a 2-bar in the 15-minute, guys, which is technically valid. The only other 2-bar time frame I'll use is the 15-minute. Like, I was looking for that retracement. I actually like retracements a lot on the 15-minute. Like, this is what I was looking for earlier. Right here. I ended up having to leave, but this was like around 11:15. You see that aggressive... You guys see this aggressive move to the downside here on this candle. Take your Fibonacci retracement, high to low. Look where we reject. Right here at this 50% retracement. I love these, especially when you have a key level. Love these 15-minute retracements. 5 minutes a little, you get more of them, but 15 minutes when you get them can be money bags. Especially when your 5-minute and your 15-minute coincide. That's straight money. Money bags. I don't like when we have when we have an aggressive wick on the 5 like we're seeing here. And then potential full body or even partial wick on the 15. So, we'll see. Maybe we can get a retracement of these 2 candles. I was looking for this 210 area before. We'll see. Yeah, it's 5 minutes tough to short, especially if we get higher volume on the 5-minute. Very tough. And if we get a higher wick on this 15, this is 100% invalidated. We can still watch for this overall retracement up here. 200 to 210 will stops at like 240, but even that is, you know, a little sketchy with how today's been. Top G dog, yep. Yep, see, I can't short this, guys. I'm not going to short a 15-minute that is over 50% wick up and a 5-minute candlestick that's has higher volume and is a pin bar to the upside. Maybe if we get a higher retracement up here, but off the rip here, no shorts. It's the only people who said I haven't helped them make money is people who don't follow me. It's hilarious. Haters. If you stick with DOD, you will see your life and your trading improve.
I met that Trax NYC dude in Vegas.
Who?
Trax?
NYC?
Yeah.
How was that?
That dude was hilarious. He was pissed.
Why?
Because he gave McGregor a chain.
Did he?
Diamond out chain.
Damn. And bro just went down. I know. Why don't you tell the barber he should trade too, should I? Gotta grow your hair out. But with this rate, dealing with how many 2-bar questions I get, I'm gonna go freaking bald. Y'all are gonna bald me asking about the damn 2-bar. I'm sick of it, bro. I'm up 1100 for the day, DOD. Nice. I'll be Mr. Smiley. We'll be putting frickin' my picture on the charts looking for a bounce. Well, what is this? Why can't we get a full retracement? Look at that. It's selling off this 5-minute higher wick. Going right into this 50% retracement of this candle, I bet. A little above, right into there. But no solid retracement. That's crazy. Have I went in? No. I haven't. Don't. Come on. Yeah, this is Gene. You haven't seen him before? This is my in-person mentee and assistant, Gene. The burrito bandit himself. I only trade if the man getting a haircut trades point blank. On God. Right? Dog, it's a huge sell-off. Take shorts. Alright, next push to low day. Take shorts then. Stop tripping and take the shorts. Bet. That's some of the best advice I think I've ever gotten in my life. Look at this, Jay.
Oh.
Barber getting him right. Put a freaking afro on me.
Who did that?
Someone in chat.
That's dope. Put it back up.
Yo, yeah. That is hilarious, bro. A freaking afro. Let's see if stop tripping.
How legit it looks too.
I know. Let's see if stop tripping, bro, and take shorts is gonna be right. I always say, if you're that confident, wait till the lows. You get short the lows if you're that confident. Sometimes it can actually work, but I wouldn't recommend it long term. Stop tripping, dog, and take the shorts is up like 20 points. Or dog, stop tripping, excuse me. Yeah, you know, you might make it work once or twice. When you don't, it's just, it can raise your cortisol and have you in a bad place. I still like the bounce at 29,000. I think we technically do have room down, but I won't be taking it without a solid sign of reversal. Or I won't be taking the shorts unless we get a solid pull back up. Unless we get a solid pull up. We have Netflix earnings too? Alright. We also have MOC in 13 minutes, guys. Okay, come on, everyone. If you're on the YouTube, hit that thumbs up button. Maybe hit that live. Come on. For trades and fades, you kidding me? One earring? I don't have one earring. I have two. I only have one earring on Saturdays.
They're probably talking about mine.
Well.
I forgot to put mine on this morning.
All right, well, for dogs, stop tripping and take the shorts. If you shorted the lows, like I said, that was the deal. It's currently down 22 points. We'll see how it ends up. Let's see if dog stop tripping, yo. Short in the lows. That was the deal. Gets a move down. All right, currently down 30 points. 35 points. Depends how much of a stop loss you put on. I hope dog stop tripping. Gets a move down. But short in the lows is currently down 35 points. We'll see how it ends up being. See if we end up getting the, maybe this is the lower high. Maybe it is. Oh, 40 points down. 50 point stop loss maybe? All right, 60 points down currently from short in the lows. Let's see how dog stop tripping goes. That was the deal. I said you're so confident you short the lows. Maybe this is it. Maybe you get your push to 29,000 now. We'll see. Depending on what the stop loss was. There's times where I go 50 or 60 point stop, so it could work. You know, like there's times where that's valid. You say use less size. I prefer 30 to 40, but 50 to 60 sometimes is a thing. You just have to have less size, so it could work. I need this cut so bad, man. I had a lot of hair.
Yep.
Like a freaking caveman.
Check it out.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, a lot of weight.
I know. Yep. Uh-oh. Dog stop tripping. Short the lows, making a comeback. Don't call it a comeback for dog stop tripping. Don't call it a comeback. Don't call it a comeback. Don't make me eat my words. Bro might do it. Let's see. Let's see. And by the way, if anyone is actually short in the lows, I do hope that you win. I would never root against someone, even if you're talking to you. We're just having some fun. Who knows if he got stopped out? Maybe. All right, let's see. Quick little something light. the dreads is crazy, bro. All right, dog stop tripping, short the lows. It's 40 points down. Hopefully, he makes a comeback here. Hopefully, we can get a comeback. Hopefully, Bo makes a comeback. Let's see. I don't see anything I like right now currently. I think it could go either way. 15-minute chart's looking a little reversally, but we break that 117, we likely get a nice flush down to 100 and beyond. To 100 and beyond. It'll be interesting to see how we close this candle. We got MOC in 7 minutes. Haircut at work counts as tax write-off. Yeah, we'll see what the IRS says about that one. Don't call it a comeback. Don't call it a comeback for stop tripping and short the lows. For me, I'd like to see us freaking retrace and short the retracement. Let's see if bro was right if I should have stopped tripping and shorted the lows. Let's see if bro can get it. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, we're going all Metallica tomorrow. No, I hope he makes money too. I genuinely mean that. Don't call it a comeback for short the lows. He's back to break even. He's back to break even. He said, don't call it a comeback. He said, I'm in profit, 2 points. Almost 15 points and an immediate move back. Don't call it a comeback for Mr. Short the Lows. Don't call it a comeback. Is he going to make it? Is he going to push it down? 10 points in profit. He wants more. He risked what? 120 up to 160. So 40 points there. He needs at least 40 points to make it 1-1. Come on. Though I don't support short in the lows, I do hope you get at least 80. I do hope you get 80. I do hope you get 80. And I genuinely mean that. I genuinely mean that. I hope you get your price target beyond. Are you in yeah, I was. I was at Shallots. Yep. Just said hi. I was in Illinois. I was in Chicago for the day. Don't call it a comeback for him. Uh-oh, don't call it a comeback for him. I would say if he gets his profit target, I'll short the next lows, but I will never short the lows or long the highs. Oh. What's up, Gene? I didn't know you were coming. I see the door open. Spook me. He's in profit. Oh! Yeah, bro said I'm damn all for discipline, but the amount of opportunities we miss is crazy. I said take them all. See what happens. Take every opportunity you see and let me know how you're trading in 3 months. You will blow your accounts, you will become a statistic, and you will not be trading anymore. Do it. Trade them all. Take every opportunity you see in the market and see how it goes. Report back in 3 months. And I don't say that in a rude way. I hope you don't. I would never want to see anyone fail. But do it. Take every opportunity that you see and report back. Let me know how it goes. Seriously. Oh, Mr. Short the Lows, 20 points up. No, don't even vanish. I'm just speaking facts. You know, if you take every single opportunity you get and take every trade that you could potentially take, you will not be trading after 3 months. You just won't. Just try it. I'm like, any times. Oh, Mr. Short the Lows got 1R. Almost. Mr. Short the Lows is at 1R. He got his trim, so he officially wins this one. You gotta stop doing that. You're gonna get muted, DOD time. Gonna get muted, man. Can't disrespect other members. I was just simply stating a fact to bro. That when someone's like, hey, we miss a lot of opportunities, I say, well, then take them. Take every opportunity you see and let me know how it works out in the next 3 months. You know? People often think the more trades you take, like I understand dopamine wants you to do that. The reason I've survived 10 years, and guys, mind you, what percent of traders fail? Let's just do some critical thinking here. What percent of traders fail? A lot. 95 to 98% of you guys will not make it. And that is the brutal truth. Hopefully our stats are a little higher. The reality is, because you know what? 95% of people are not going to manage the risk. They're not okay with one trade a day. They want to take every trade. They want to take every opportunity. And that's the hard facts. People get mad at me for saying that, but like even at 90%, that's very conservative. 9 out of 10 people that tried trading for 5 years will fail. That's just what it is. And the 10% that make it are going to trade with discipline, are going to stick to A+ setups only, are going to stay focused, are going to trade smart, are going to trade safe. So, and I say that out of love because, you know, a lot of you guys got to understand that the only way you're going to make it in your trading journey is if you choose discipline. And if you're willing, you know, like, and people say like, oh, what about with education, this and that? Yeah, sure. I think the number's probably gone down a bit. And got to remember that 95% is a big number. There's, you know, probably, I don't know, like 15, 16, 17, up to 20 million retail traders. That means, let's say, you know, 750K to 1 million people are going to make it. You choose discipline. You trade smart. You trade safe. You stick to A+ setups only. You don't overtrade. You don't revenge trade. That's going to be a good indicator that you'll make it. You're so funny, bro. You make more money selling a Discord than you do trading. So what? I still make money trading. LeBron James makes more money off his ads than basketball. So what? Silly guy. You know, you provide a service that, mind you, over the last 3 months, if you look at other trading communities' premiums, their churns are high. Our churn rate is 13% over 3 months. That is insane. People come and they stay. Yep, they come and they hate, but it's like... I gotta keep it PG on the lives, bro. Hey, I'll give it to you, short the lows. You got your trim off. You got your 1R. I'll give it to you there. The lives are on YouTube. There's a slight delay. TikTok and YouTube, there's a slight delay. So you're about 5 seconds delayed at all times. Compared to the premium, there's no delay. You got your trim off. Short the lows. I'll give it to you. You got that one. You, by the hairs on your chin, 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 you barely got it, but you got it. Look at that. And then face ripper. You don't need to attack anyone, bro. People that hate on the internet are already miserable enough. Like, you don't got to add salt to their wound, bro. They got to wake up and look in the mirror every day. As a grown man coming on live streams and hating on other grown men and women online, like, that is a miserable life. Like, I pray for those people. Like, Lord have mercy, and pray for the man who wakes up so angry and so sad and so hateful with their life that they have to go hate on other grown men and women. You know? So we pray for those people. Cold hard truth. Jdun's way is boring for 95% of us, but if you stay just long enough, you will see why it works and why so many hate. People get bored because it's not flashy. Team Bull. Let's go. You know? Damn. Yep. Dog stopped tripping and short the lows didn't last, huh? This guy really thinks I was the one. Who said that? Who wanted to short the lows? Yep, I love shorting lows. That's what I do. I just love shorting all lows. I only trade breakouts. That's all I trade is breakouts. I love shorting lows and longing tops. That's all I trade live every day. That's it. Oh, you were here for that. I was like, yeah, that's all I do. Damn, look at that now. We're going to kill it tomorrow, guys. I'm trading live at the Team Bull HQ. Oh my gosh, look at that. See, this is why, though, on a serious note, why I don't short lows, bro. I trade retracements, so even if you do catch an L, it's your risk is managed. A lot of times when you try short lows or long highs, you end up getting waked out. There's sometimes where it does work, like on really aggressive trends, you can, but it's just tough. If it wasn't the last 5 minutes, I'd probably look for a short in here, guys. If it wasn't the last 5 minutes, I'd probably look for a short in this area. This is what I've been watching all the last, 55 minutes was a short in this area. But it's the last 5 minutes, so I'm probably just going to call it and wait. As a reminder, I will be trading live for Asia tonight. So if you don't get to trade during the day, you can join me for nighttime trading. Make sure if you're on TikTok, you hit that follow button. If you're on YouTube, you hit that subscribe and then press that bell icon and press all. And if you're in Team Bull, then you will already get notified. English. I'll be live for Asia later. And then, of course, my main live stream is New York session. Yeah. That's how I freaking talk. You should hear me when I'm trying to record. When I'm trying to record freaking YouTube videos, you should hear how bad it gets. I should post the bloopers sometime. You guys would... No, I can't. I'm never posting the bloopers. I take that back. Ever. You guys will never see those. It is horrible. I literally sound like a freaking preschooler in speech therapy trying to talk. I'm like, oh, great. My ability to speak went down to a second grade, first grade level. Terrible. Just terrible, bro. I don't have any links in my bio. Just be chilling. I do. Yeah, that picture is hilarious. Gene during New York, Gene during Asia. Negative 1600, Theo. Negative. I know. It's a very rare. We'll see how Asia goes. Actually, technically, it'll be over. This is my first red day in like 2 or 3 weeks or something. I've only had one red week this year. My red week is something we will not talk about. I trade both, but I prefer live. I didn't take any trades in my fundeds today. I only took the trade in my live. Just the live, so I lost real money today. As a reminder, I do appreciate you guys. Even though I don't follow Jdun strategy to a T, I can still say he's taught me more about markets than any other trading mentor in my time in the markets. I appreciate you, bro. That means a lot, man. Thank you. Entered the shorts, might be cooked here. I would be careful in the last few minutes. So as a reminder, if you're new here, I appreciate you guys hitting that follow button. I trade live every day, and I'll also be live tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and tonight for Asia session at like 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Ish. We'll see, maybe earlier. So appreciate y'all being here. Thank you for the follows, David. Mitch, Theo, User 198, Kitty. Meow. Appreciate all y'all subbing to the YouTube Jdun Trades. And as a reminder, if you want access to my free class on Sunday for the Discipline Trader Program waitlist, you can DM me on IG. It's JDUN Trades. Jdun Trades on IG. You can send me the word class. If you DM me the word class, I will personally send you the link for the waitlist and for Sunday. So, yep, Jdun Trades on IG if you'd like to be a part of that private class and a part of that waitlist for the Discipline Trader Program. If you struggle with discipline, it could be for you. Don't. All right, guys. I'm out of here. God bless each and every one of you guys. I'll see you guys tonight for Asia session. Ended up being a decent day for price action. Not my best morning. And strategy ended up working out. Just had a lot of consolidation and chop here. So that being said, technicals in the system did work later on. It just happened to be later. Beautiful. Potentially, if we had more time, beautiful. So, trade smart, trade safe. I'll see you guys on the flip side. God bless each and every one of you guys. Do something positive for yourself. Go to the gym, eat a healthy meal, do 5 minutes of meditation, go review your trades. Do something positive that's going to help you with your discipline, all right? God bless each and every one of you guys. I'll see you in a few hours for Asia. Peace. I believe in you guys, and I love you guys. Goodbye. Appreciate y'all hitting that follow button. See you guys. Bye.